discussing the image formation, first of all, I want to tell you about some rules of the reflection of light with a concave mirror. This is a concave mirror. This line is known as principal axis. This point, center of curvature. This is principal focus, and this point is known as pole. When the incident ray of light moves parallel to the principal axis and strikes the mirror, then the reflected ray will pass through the point of principal focus. Okay? Now, let's see the next one rule. When the incident ray of light passing through the principal focus and strikes the mirror, then the reflected ray moves parallel to the principal axis like this. Okay? Now let's see the another one rule. When the incident ray of light passes through the center of curvature and strikes the mirror, then the reflected ray adopts the same pathway of the incident ray. Okay? So there are three rules, and we have to make the image formation according to these rules. Now let's see the first question. Draw the ray diagram for the formation of image when an object is placed beyond C in front of concave mirror. So here, first of all, we will draw a horizontal line 10 to 12 centimeter. Okay. Now take a compass and open it up to 4 centimeter. Place the needle of the compass at this line and draw an arc. Okay. The point where you had placed the needle of the compass, mark this point with the help of the pencil and name it C. C means center of curvature. The point where the arc intersects the line, mark this point and name it P. P means pole. Now mark the midpoint of center of curvature and the pole and name it F. F means principal focus. Now according to the question, we have to place the object beyond C. Okay. So here we have placed the object beyond C. The first ray of light that starts from the top of the object and move parallel to the principal axis and strikes the mirror. Okay. According to the rules, the reflected ray will pass through the principal focus. Okay. Now the another ray of light which also starts from the top of the object and pass through the principal focus and strikes the mirror. We know according to the rule that the reflected ray moves parallel to the principal axis. Okay. Both the reflected ray meet at a point. Okay. Mark this point and draw a vertical line from this point. Mark the arrow. So the image is formed. So here the position of image is between F and C, and the nature of image is real and inverted. Now let's see question number 2. Draw the ray diagram for the formation of image when an object is placed between F and C in front of concave mirror. Now in this question we have to place the object between F and C. So first of all, we will draw the concave mirror. Here we have a concave mirror. Mark the point P, C, center of curvature, and F. Now here we have to place the object between F and C. Okay. So we have placed the object between F and C. We have drawn the object between F and C. Now the first ray that starts from the top of the object move parallel to the principal axis and strikes the mirror. We know that the reflected ray passed through a point. This point is known as principal focus. Okay. The another ray of light which again starts from the top of the object and passes through the point F. Okay. Similarly, the reflected ray moves parallel to the principal axis according to the rule, and both the reflected ray meet at a point. Mark this point and draw a vertical line from this point. Mark the arrow. Now here the image has formed. So here the position of the image is beyond C and the nature is real and inverted.